This video is going to show you how to unbox and set up your Infinity Aura massage chair. When it arrives, it'll be in one large box. Open it up and remove the packaging materials. After you remove the outside of the box, as well as the styrofoam and plastic wrapping, lift it out of the bottom of the box. We found the best approach was to have a friend help lift the chair. With the chair out of the box, remove the protective covering from the footrest and lower it into its resting position. Then remove the plastic guards. Sitting on the seat of the chair will be the bag with the power cable and manual. Set this aside, we'll need it later. Next, we're going to properly install the seat cushion. This is an important step because if the cushion is not properly installed, the massage can be too intense. To properly install the cushions, remove the protective fabric from the Velcro. Place the Velcro from the flap on the footrest on the Velcro strip from the frame of the chair. Then place the cushion down, lining up the Velcro on the frame of the chair with the cushion. With the cushion secured in place, remove the wrapping from the remote and place the remote in the remote holder, which is attached to the arm of the chair. The remote is already plugged in, so there's only one more step before you can enjoy the Infinity Aura massage chair. Remove the power cable from the bag that we set aside earlier. Then connect the chair to power and toggle the on-off switch so that it lit up. With the chair powered on, run an auto program. This is to make sure that all airbags are inflating properly and rollers are moving. If everything is working, then you're ready to enjoy your new Infinity Aura massage chair. You've taken the next step into unlimiting your wellness. Welcome to the Infinity family.